I'm up here in the office today, and it's been raining all day and windy and stuff. And I thought I'd kind of go over, started kind of preliminary doing my seeds. I got my final catalog in today from Rupp. And I'm kind of going to get the bulk of my seeds this year. Looks like, just cursory looking at it, looks like most of them is going to come from homes. We'll get some from Rupp. And we'll try something new this year. I'm gonna get some from Morgan County seeds. So I've not ordered seeds from these people before, but I've ordered fertilizer from them. So, and I liked it, and they seem like pretty good people to work with. So I've got quite a few. This is just not a seed catalog. This has got gardening stuff. Of course, it's got fertilizer. All kinds of different things in it. So this is a pretty good catalog, especially if you got a small garden. And of course, you know, I don't know how good the seeds are going to be. And of course, I'll order a few things from Baker Creek. If I was a small gardener too, this is where I would go. Free shipping on these. So and a couple things in here that interested me. I had some, I don't know if it'd be any good or not, but if I can find it real quick. I had strawberry seeds. Easy to grow strawberries from seed from Baker Creek. I'm gonna try them this year. So I ordered that. Of course, I ordered my shishito peppers from them. And I have ordered some other stuff, carrots. They didn't really do very well for me. Whatever, so anyway. So that's gonna be my big three are gonna be from these. And I might order a few things. I know from Thresh, I'll probably order those Hensley Settlement tomatoes and maybe some more sorghum. I didn't plant any last year. So I'm kind of going through and adding, of course, here's some of the lists I got from Rupp last year. So I'm gonna go through it. We're going to decide what we're going to grow, what we ain't going to grow, and what new things we're going to go. I think I'm definitely going to try to get some sorghum planted this year. I got a little mill that I run it through and get the juice, and we turn it into syrup. Really hadn't done it since I started YouTubing. I really hadn't had time, but now hopefully I'll get time. So I'm going to try to do some organic popcorn, and we're going to grow it and hopefully shell it and put it in jars and try to sell it at the farm stand. I'm gonna go big on seedless watermelons. I might even have enough seeds. Of course, I'll talk about that. That's my next process. So seedless watermelons, going big on sweet corn. Of course, we're going big on pumpkins. And I'm not going to experiment so much with my varieties this year as far as zucchini I'm really locked into. Payload, Paycheck, that pay series I'm gonna go with. Squash, I'm going with Smooth Summer, and they come out with a new one called Smooth Criminal, which is a hot set. My little buddy came in here and see what I was doing. He got his hair cut. Right here, look. And I don't know if he thinks I'm eating in here or what. So anyway, nothing to eat. I forgot where I was even at. Squash, I'm going with the Smooth Criminal. I'm gonna try a different bean this year. I'm gonna go with my usual Half White Runner, Blue Lake. I got another one that's come out. It's a hot set. It's supposed to be good for the heat, so I'm gonna try it. Cantaloupe, I'm going with Thunderstruck, and I'm going to try a couple new varieties on it. I didn't like the ones last year. I mean, they produced all right. I just didn't think they had a lot of flavor. The one did, but I'm talking about I tried something started with an S, and I could look it up. But anyway, watermelons did great. Hopefully we'll get some more better eggplant. Hopefully we'll do a little better on the peppers. Peppers came in late, but anyway, so that's about the only thing that I think of that I want to try new. Probably not even going to experiment with any cucumbers this year. I'm pretty much locked in on that. What else I got going on? stuff. So tomatoes, of course, I'm gonna go a lot of red deuce, Marglobe, which I always grow, and I'm gonna go with the Better Boy. Believe it or not, I really like the flavor of the Better Boy, so I'm gonna grow it. It's gonna be, of course, it's a Better Boy Plus. It's the name of it. It's got a little better package, disease-resistant package. I've got with a new tomato that's a 60-day tomato. Of course, I'm gonna do the early doll. It's a 45-day tomato. I really like early doll. It's got a good flavor. They don't get quite as big, you know, but they're still good. And they got supposed to have I think somewhere in one of these seed catalogs they've come out with a new tomato, so I'm gonna try it. So anyway, so my next process, I'm gonna get all my seeds together, see what I got, what I don't have to buy. Then we'll go through, decide exactly what the variety we want, what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try broccoli again, I'm gonna try cauliflower, I'm gonna try a little bit of kohlrabi. I can't get them to grow. Some carrots we got worked out. I think beets we got worked out. Something else I was gonna think about doing. Oh, some cabbage. I'm gonna try to do some early season cabbage. I'm gonna do all that where the pumpkins are. And then, of course, it'll be over and we'll start the pumpkins. Anyway, hopefully. All right, so anyway, my next step is I'll get up all that seeds I had left over when I think we're good. Some of them I bought, I don't think were very ripe, didn't germinate very well, so I'm gonna throw those away. And I'll get those together and we'll decide exactly what we wanna grow. Of course, we're gonna be in pumpkins again. So I gotta get all that figured out. All right. And I'm gonna get all that figured out and then we'll order and I'll go over step by step all my stuff and all that. So I do about like I do every year. So if it's any, I don't anticipate it being any, well, it might be a little different this year. Last year I'd start all over. I think we had upwards of $800 in seeds. So hopefully I can get that number down quite a bit this year. All right, so there you go. Just a little preliminary rainy day, stormy day video. We'll get back out in the field hopefully tomorrow and do some stuff. Of course, I got a big DIY project coming up, so might do that too. All right, appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Got any suggestions, any questions, seed catalogs or companies I don't know about, leave it down in the comment and I'll check them out. All right, appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, hit that subscribe, support your local farmer. I'll see you tomorrow down here on the farm.